Hey everyone, Dan here, and this is my video for these string light poles. I've got a set of string lights and wanted to have a little bit more, they're solar string lights, and I want to put them out away from my deck. And so I thought, what better way to set them up than to try one of these. I figured I'd give you an unboxing, show you what you get inside, and check that out. You got these really nice heavy-duty stakes, and then you have some assembly hardware for affixing these to a fence or to a wall or something like that. There is some basic instructions if you're going to do that. Kind of guide you through the process of setting it up. Pretty straightforward. And then the main section of poles here, you have this top section that's rounded. It's really nice to allow the lights to go through and not scrape them up, and then you have your base poles. So I'm going to set these up and give it a try, and I'll let you know my final thoughts. Okay, I'm loving this design here. Just simply put them together, tighten them up, and you're good to go. And how cool is that? And that means any pole can work with the other one. And so there you go, you're all set. Okay, I've got both of these poles staked into the ground. This one I just kind of pushed in with my feet, and the other one I used the mallet a little bit to hammer it down and get it in. The cool thing about these poles is they can be as high as you want them to. This is about 6 feet at my height, and this has got to be over 7 feet high. This is really cool. So you can have it up really high. I recommend tying them off first, and I put my string up there. These are just kind of little solar charging lights, that hanging lights, and I fashioned my own string up there onto the pole, which was pretty cool. And then at first I was like, I don't know about this whole like this screw-in thing, but that worked out perfectly, because as I unscrewed this and loosened the pole a little bit, my lights came down a little more and give me a little bit more slack to work with the lights. And if I don't like that height, well, no big deal. Get this tied off and I can just kind of tighten this thing up and get my height and my lights exactly where I need them. Now, this is like a 2-pole set, and I'm pretty pleased with how it's worked. And you can obviously do different style of hangings and stuff. I just didn't have any actually rope lights to work with, so these are just solar hanging lights, which I'm testing out. I think they're pretty cool. They're gonna flicker and stuff when it gets dark, and it'll be a perfect environment for some backyard glamping with the kiddos on our first try of this tent. So I'm super pleased with this, and I hope this video helps you in your decision to picking up some of these light hanging poles. Thanks so much for watching.